Why you not like a haircut? What's all that about, JW? Did it make you so upset? Did you want to keep that hair? Did you want to keep that hair or something? See, that's not so bad.
So handsome.
That's not so bad.
It's okay.
Mummies are here. Mummies. Oh, JW.